Hello, good morning. This is a quick video to show you the new functionality about payments. On this blog post here that we just released, I explain a little bit about the payment module, which has already been explained in other blog posts and the like. But here I kind of indulge in the different use cases and some of the use scenarios where you can actually use this practically. And in this slide, while I was preparing the blog post, we added a functionality that we had in coreBOS CRM into coreBOS in the project that we're working on to migrate all of the code in coreBOS CRM to open source. One of the things that was there was that you could actually easily make keep control of the totals of payments on accounts, contacts, and vendors. So I moved that code into coreBOS, going to release it immediately. And basically, the way you get that working is that you go to coreBOS Updater. In this case, I have to load the updates because actually, every time you update, you have to update the code. You have to load the database changes. And in this case, I have three new chain sets. These three chain sets are blocked. Okay, let me open that and you'll see they are blocked. Okay, so where is this here? Blocked, yes. Okay, that means that if I go to coreBOS Updater and I click apply all, it will apply the continuous chain sets, but it will not apply any of those three. Okay, they stay there. Okay, that's because these are actually only needed if you want to activate the functionality. It's not something that we're going to have always for all modules. If you want to control the payments on accounts, contacts, or vendors, you come to this chain set and you activate it willingly. Okay, so I'm going to activate it for accounts. So I come over here, I unblock the chain set. Now it can be applied either with apply all or directly here with the apply. And now that I'm applying this, it will create a new block and three new fields on the accounts module. Okay, basically it worked. And let's go to the open the accounts module here. And I'm going to look for Chemex because probably it has some payments if we're lucky. And if not, we'll go look for one. And here I should have a new block, which is payment information with the total amount, the balance, and the total pending. And if we go to the payments module, perfect, we have some payments. Obviously, the fields are have been created, but they haven't been filled in yet because we need to launch. We have to create a new payment record for them to actually pick up on all the totals. Okay, so that's kind of odd that this isn't being totaled here. Let me edit this one and save. That should give us, if we go back to the detail view, those fields updated. Okay, so now I know that there's a total pending amount of 346 euros. There's a total balance of 1,241, and the total amount of movements is 1,587. So it's actually that easy to get a full control of the amounts. If I come over here to the change set and we actually undo the change set, now I will have lost the whole block and the whole fields. So we're back to the same place we were before. And if I apply it again, I should get the fields back, the block back, and they should be empty. Okay, the values were saved. Interesting. Okay, anyway, that's fine. Okay, so you can actually undo the change set and edit. So let's try something that's explained in the blog post here. see if we can get something like this working here. This wallet or current balance says that if I want to have a current balance of the money that I received from a contact and moving that money around, we can actually make these 4 payments. Let's see if we can get that working. Okay, let's open this here, open the payments module here, and here we'll just pick any account, do it with the accounts, but it should work the same with the fields are all 0, and the payments are empty, hopefully. Okay, good. Let's add a payment here to this account, and we're going to say that it's a credit, it's a debit. Okay, they're giving us money. Let's say that it's paid and that we got 100 euros. I could have related it to an invoice or to a sales order or whatever. Okay, that means that now I have here 100. Okay, it's okay, I had to mark the credit. My bad. Payments. Let's edit this one. Get money from client, and we mark this and we save. Okay, now I have received 100 euros from this person. Okay, now I want to send 90 euros of this to another account and send 10% to my company account, and then what was the other one? There was 4 movements there. One with the 90 euros, one with the 10 euros, one. Okay, and then I need one that accumulates the 90 euros on the other account related to the company, and also the other one. Okay, so we have to make 2 payment movements to decrement this one. Let's go for it. Payments. Okay, we add a payment which goes. Okay, I would need I would need here the other accounts, so we could actually make a movement between 2 organizations. Here we have the people, so we need to add to this pick list another account so that we can make a movement from one account to another account. Anyway, let's suppose that we have a sales order that represents the fact that these 2 people are making business together. So I'm going to put it there. We put 90 euros, and this is a debit because we have to get those 90 euros off of this company here, 1893 shops, because we're going to send it to another company. Okay, so we save. Now we need to make another movement of these same 90 euros, but this time it's a credit, and it's going to add to the company where we send the money. Let's suppose that it's AR packaging. Obviously, we would select the same sales order, which represents the interaction, or in this case, I'm doing a sales order, but it could be an activity, a calendar, a service contract, whatever, that represents the relation between these 2 accounts. Okay, so this will accumulate 90 euros on this company. That those 2 movements actually sent 90 euros from this organization to that organization. Now I need to make another payment for the 10 euros with the same idea. This is the 10 euros that were left. This is also the same record. And this is the 10% commission that's coming out of here. And now we have to put, oops, wrong one. That one had to be debit. This one had to be the debit, like this, I think. If not, we'll turn it around. And now I need to make the 10 euros to Chemex, which is my company, and I have to add those same idea, same document that relates the interaction of what just happened, why we're moving this money around, and we accumulate those 10 on here. Yeah, like this. Okay. So I was right. This one had to be credit like this. Okay, that should be right. That means that if I come over here, I should have a total. Okay, it did something wrong. I should have here a total of 0. Okay, to fix that, we have to get those credits right and the like. And let's look at what happened here also. Let's see. Okay, so it's this one. I get money from the client, and this one is credit, yes. Okay, that means that this one and the other one have to be credit, no. Okay, that one is good. And this one is wrong. Okay, still probably have, okay. So it's important to get those credits right. So the total amount, this is the wallet for this client is now 0 because actually we did get 100 from him, but we moved that 100 to other people. Okay. So now if we go look for the other people, I actually made the payment to AR company. Okay. Let's go look for the AR company. We can see those payments here too. Hopefully they should be here at the end. Okay, perfect. So we have 100 that came in, 90 that go to 90 that discount or move out of this company. Let's see if we can add here pay view all. Let me see if we get here. Okay, good. Okay, move to the end. Okay, here we have 100 euros coming in from this 1893 shops. Then we have 90 euros going out of this company and 90 euros coming into this company, AR Packaging. If I open this one in a new tab, I should see those 90 euros in their wallet. Okay, there's 235 probably because this one already has some other payments. I just picked one account randomly. Okay, so we have another movement here, but as you can see, there's effectively the 90 euros coming in on his wallet. Okay, then we have another 10 euros coming out of this shop and going into Chemex so that it accumulates the account. Okay, so basically this workflow here, as described here in the wallet current balance, these 4 records actually move and control the wallet amount. And this was all released in the open source project, so you should be able to do this just by activating the workflows, the workflow, the chain set. Sorry, thank you for watching.